Welcome everyone. Today we're going to make some golden milk or haldi doodh, starting with milk. You can use a milk alternative as well. You have your turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper, coconut oil, ginger, cardamom, nutmeg, and honey. And you want to have your pan going at a low heat. You can boil the milk if you like, but I prefer to just cook it on a low and slow heat. Starting to add in your ingredients once the milk starts to warm up, going in with your turmeric, your cinnamon, your ginger, adding in your black pepper, going in with the cardamom, the nutmeg, and the coconut oil. Once everything is in there, you can stir it around, make sure it all mixes together. You don't have to, go too hard. Just relax, whisk. If you're staying at home and you have some time, this is a great drink to make. It's good for your immune system. It's really good for your inflammation as well. If you're drinking this at night, it helps you fall asleep. It's just a tasty drink. I remember my mom used to make this for me when I was a kid and I would get sick. I would look forward to having this. If you're from India, you probably know this as haldi doodh. Whisking for about 10 minutes. You want to cook it so it heats up, all the ingredients, come together nicely. And then once you're ready, everything is good, you turn the heat off. And then the last thing you're going to add is just your honey, and then mix it all around. And you want to whisk it a little bit as well to make sure that the coconut oil doesn't stay on a film on top. It actually gets absorbed into the milk and it gives it a nice frothier texture. And you can drink this cold as well if you like, but I prefer drinking it as soon as it's ready. Take it off the heat and then we pour it in, making it for yourself and for that special someone. Haldi doodh or golden milk, great for your immune system. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, it's the Kaizen man signing out.